turbo sport.
It's fast, isn't it? It's not far off stock, to be honest.
Jesus. Bro, every part of the throttle there's power, isn't there?
Yeah, literally.
So like it's on and then it's gone. Like,
yeah, it's always in boost as well.
Mapper knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Because it's usually on or off.
Yeah.
Like, look at that. Whoa, bro, this is not for the faint-hearted, is it?
Nah, literally.
Brakes are good as well. Are we stock, completely stock?
Yeah, Tarox.
I'm just feeding it in, innit?
Yeah.
I'm not like... It's like, I'm like 10-15% throttle. So you got the ASP setup, bro, this is so lit. Yes, Marcus.
What are you saying? You alright?
Good, brother?
Yeah, not bad yourself.
Respect, man. Thank you so much for coming on. So you're the one that's been making noise on the internet, ain't you?
Trying.
Every time I install Insta, I'm like, M140, what's this car? Bro, it sounds like a 2JZ, right? Supra.
Yeah.
Absolute mental. Like, guys, you want to see this in the rear view? Just follow me in the Civic. Fucking... Yeah, the noise is insane. Actually, let's start from the beginning. Obviously, BMW M140. What was the original setup?
I had the standard setup, then I had the Pure 800, then I went Pure 800 with Port Meth. Now I'm on an EFR Borg setup.
What's the reason you went for the EFR?
I got offered this quite cheap off of Tom Wrigley.
So this is the one on his M240?
Yeah,
Right.
it's M240, yeah.
Okay. What are you running now, roughly?
About 1.75 bar, it's about 730, about 700 foot-pound.
Bloody hell, 700 foot-pounds as
Yeah.
well. Stock engine?
Yeah, stop block, yeah.
Cirque, the owner of the R32, I filmed a little while. He actually done the work, right?
Yeah,
the new setup.
him and his brother Mem done a lot of the work on the fabrication of the turbo kit.
Yeah. Car-wise, chassis, what have we done to sort of like enable to get the power down?
I've got a wave track rear diff, fully polybushed whole rear. I've got some underbracing underneath.
Yeah, because these don't come with the bracing, do
No,
they?
they literally come with nothing.
And what does that, transform the handling and stuff?
Yeah, the diff does a lot.
Yeah, I've seen you drive, you literally get the back end out.
Yeah,
and it's all...
the diff does a lot.
Guys, look at it, man, it's a really nice M140, so it's got the B58 engine. These are like the new 2JZ engine anyway.
Yeah.
And they literally, bro, guys, it sounds like a 2JZ, literally. Absolutely insane. So what else, aside from the turbo, custom like downpipes, manifold and stuff?
Had a custom downpipe by EMF Fabrications. He's got to make me a 3.5-inch system sometime this month. I've got a custom 3-inch front mount intake.
And this is on V-Power, right?
Yeah,
no,
V-Power, yeah.
Did you say no meth? Or?
It's running Port Meth.
Running Port Meth now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and it's on V-Power, not an Umron?
Yeah.
And they've done 730?
Yeah, 730,
That is insane.
I'm going back for mapping at WG Motorworks in next week or so. I'm going to try and push 2 bar on race fuel.
On race fuel, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you going to do, like just 109 or no F or anything?
110 Sonico I'm going to try.
Okay.
Try push 850 stock block or something.
Fuck it, hell, bro. 850 and an M140, God, what day and age are we living in?
Yeah.
I mean, how much can you pick up an M140 for?
Like 22 grand.
Crazy. And a stock gearbox?
Yeah, stock gearbox.
So you've just done it right from the beginning. Obviously, like you say, you've done a few different setups.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you could go back, you would have just went straight to this setup,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, of course, yeah.
Yeah, they're single turbo, but they're twin scroll.
Twin scroll, yeah.
This is still a twin scroll.
Yeah,
the
twin
EFR.
scroll, yeah.
What would you say reliability then? Because that's just insane. Like you're talking, you're going to go 850 on race.
Yeah, I mean, I've had the car nearly 3 years and all I've ever broke is a diff donut, just burning it out at a meet.
And you say you got a wave track diff, you say?
Yeah, wave track LSD, yeah.
Sorry, what are the tyres you running?
Michelin PS4s all round.
Okay, so we've got PS4 tyres, carbon mirrors. As you can see, guys, look. Just an M140 inside stock, 738. Watch when you not hear this. And you say stock exhaust as well?
Yeah, stock exhaust for the moment.
Bloody hell, man. You still got loads of bits you can
Yeah,
do, right?
yeah.
And it's done a 4.9?
4.9. I've only been doing draggies like 3-4 times. I've only done like 20 pulls in this.
Yeah.
Keeps raining, but yeah, 4.9 so far. But every time I go out, it runs consistent 5 flat.
Wow. Like, that's quick, man, because my M4, although it wasn't an all-out map I had on it, that was doing like a 5.4. Do you know what I mean? So this is just shows you, man. These cars are getting let loose now. Well, I mean, you're just a customer as well, like you said.
Yeah,
it's
literally
not a shop
customer car,
is it?
yeah,
Like,
it's not a shop car.
Jesus. Hell, bro. Bro, that is rapid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, guys, I'm going to really try and calm the language down today, but that actually blew me away, man. You know what? Like, my eyes couldn't even focus. Like, you know, that kind of... Whoa. That is actually ridiculous. You know why it's ridiculous? Because look at the weather.
Yeah.
And initially it spins, but the second it grabs the ground,
yeah, it's gone.
Teleportation, mate. Yeah, this is the quickest M140 I've ever been in, for sure. Bro, that is nuts.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, I promise you I'm not going over the top. The sense of speed is just like ridiculous.
Yeah, it goes
How
well.
does it feel from the drivers? Does it feel
Yeah,
like rapid?
yeah, it does feel
I mean, you're
quick.
already used to it now, aren't you?
Yeah.
This guy's had it built. He's been all over Instagram, just going nuts. I'm just seeing this car everywhere. And look at that, we're just in a stock M140. Literally stock. Gearbox.
Exhaust, inlet, charge cooler.
Listen to the sound of it, boy.
Yeah. I can literally put this in eco and it's just silent.
You must be in love with this, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it. Literally love it.
How old are you?
27 now.
27. The traction's not too bad.
It's not-
we're going left, sorry.
It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously not great,
it's
but
not.
I
Driving
thought that
is
it
a
would
lot better.
overwhelmingly spin,
Yeah.
but it does kind of grab it, doesn't it? We didn't speak about mapping.
It's all done by WG Motorworks.
Yeah. So it's got a proper custom tune, yeah?
Yeah.
And you say, so it's limited boost in first, second and third,
Yeah.
and then all out.
All out, yeah. I sort of dumped it on it. We was like in the process of doing the Pure. I rang him up one day and said, oh, I've bought a single turbo conversion.
Yeah.
And he's like, what about the Pure? And I said, what about it? Like, he's
Yeah,
like,
no, you know, I've had Pures on my car, a highly rated turbo. The Pure ain't gonna sound like this, is
no.
it?
No.
And everyone's running the Pure as well, isn't they?
Yeah.
Wow. Bro. Is it MDM? Is it not? Is it fully off or is
half
it
off? Yeah.
Half off. Yeah.
Fully off, it will literally just
Yeah,
spin
bro, I
up.
didn't like that, man. I mean, like it's not scary.
Yeah.
Like the M4s feel a little bit more snappier, but the car feels controlled. Like you're saying, you got the under bracing.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel loose. The car feels together. You know, even when it's braking traction. Yeah, this is yeah, you know. Fuck yeah, man. But I like it. It's not snapping, is it?
No,
it's
it's
a
not too bad.
progressive.
I mean, with the traction fully off, it's a bit different, but
Yeah, but these M140s and the M240s, what I've noticed with them is when they do let go, they don't usually give you much warning.
Yeah, no.
When you drive an M4, when they go, you f***ing know it and you know to
of
catch
course,
it.
yeah.
But these, it's like last second, you're like, fuck, catch.
Yeah.
Can I say, what are you in? Like, is it expensive in a turbo kit? I mean,
to actually buy the kit from the company, they wanted like 12.5 grand.
Jesus Christ, man. No wonder why you want to race everyone. Wow. Guys, I promise you, this is actually ridiculous. I wonder how long this will last though. Like, obviously, it's...
Yeah, all the fueling's all good. So there's no reason why it shouldn't last, really.
Say that, look, we're in a rear-wheel drive car right now, yeah, in not ideal conditions. We're going left. It's not like scary, like, I mean, it is if you're obviously a rear wheel man.
Yeah, I mean, traction.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, like that was 4th gear.
Bro, I need one of these, you know that? You know, sometimes I go into a real technical one and start breaking down the car, but bro, I'm just enjoying the ride right now. It feels so fast inside the cabin, but I know it doesn't just feel fast, it is fast. Like, it is a really, really fast car. It's on a 4.94 100 to 200 on V-Power, which is what it's running now, yeah?
Yeah.
Just to give you an idea, 4.94 is, I mean, like my GTR on pump does like 3.8. So it's only a second slower than my GTR, which has 1300 horsepower on V-Power. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, that's...
I mean, my
This
friends.
is Bugatti Veyron's kind of speeds. It's not, you know what I mean?
My friend's 900 horsepower GTR does it in the same time.
Same time, there you go. Would we say as a customer built car that it's the one of the fastest on V-Power?
On V-Power, yeah.
In the country, right?
Yeah, on V-Power, yeah. I mean, the only ones above me are on full race fuel.
And yeah, so like you start the car up in the morning, there's no like, look, warning signs on your dash.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
It's all good.
All good to go.
So gearbox, you say it's been mapped by who, sorry?
WG Motorworks done all the work.
Okay, so the same guys that mapped the engine, yeah? So was this a custom map for your car? Like,
yeah.
So like what, did it take a little while? Like was it on the road mapping or?
I think he had it like five days or so.
Okay, we'll go right. Jesus Christ. Jesus. This is a 200 mile an hour car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, easily.
Being in this right now, yeah, you got the sounds, you got the speed. It feel, you know, it's all about the numbers. You want a car that does fucking into the force, 100, 200,
yeah,
but
of course.
you want it to feel fast as well. Like,
that's only with a few tries. I've only done about 20 draggy runs.
I swear now. Wow. Man, there's some responsive shifts in it.
Yeah, there's no lag as well.
Listen to the engine, bro. How long does it take for that MEF to run out?
It's quite a small tank, but it lasts.
Bro, how quick does that turbo spool?
It's fast, isn't it? It's not far off stop, to be honest.
Jesus. Bro, every part of the throttle there's power, isn't there?
Yeah, literally.
So like it's on and then it's gone. Like,
yeah, so it's always in boost as well.
Mapper knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
Because it's usually on or off.
Yeah.
Like, look at that. Whoa, bro, this is not for the faint-hearted, is it?
Nah, literally.
Brakes are good as well. Are we stock, completely stock?
Yeah, Tarox.
I'm just feeding it in, innit?
Yeah.
I'm not like. It's like I'm like 10-15% throttle. So you got the ASP setup, bro. This is so lit. I love rear wheel cars, innit? So although it's wet, I do like to.
Yeah.
It's testing my driving ability,
Yeah,
you know,
that's the
feeding the power in, like trying to not make it hit the traction. Like even in the wet, it's still a very well balanced car. You know,
Yeah.
you can still feed it in, and
Yeah.
it is still drivable. But to many people, this probably wouldn't be drivable. Like, it may sound like I'm on there, but I'm only tapping the throttle, literally.
Yeah.
You've got so many gears, you're just always in power, man. You can literally be 2 gears up. It's still got the nature, like you're saying, of the stock turbo.
Yeah.
Or even just the stock car. I'm just curious to know how long this car can last. Like, this is a very good handling car, you know that? It's very confident at speed, man. Look at that, we're like in the wrong gear, but look at it, it's all there. I'm blown away, absolutely blown away, you know that?
I've never been passenger.
Just imagine it was manual, bro.
Yeah.
I'm just imagining the sounds with the manual. I mean, what do we even say? So 6 weeks it's been running like this. Are you at the point where you're content, or do you still feel overwhelmed every day?
I'm still gonna go for more power.
Yeah. But do you feel like you need more power, or?
It doesn't need it, no.
You spilled the beans, bro. I'm fucking doing one, mate. I'm gonna be ringing you, bro. I want this motherfucking setup. I know like a lot of people that have got like old school Jap cars and other old school whatever. Let me tell you, this car is very, very special, man. This is gonna go down in the books as a hero car, man. You need to get yourself into one of these set up just like this. It's something else, man. It don't feel like a boring generic German rear wheeler. I know they're like, I know you see them everywhere, but this is something else, man, honestly. I think I'm going to end the video there, guys. As always, if you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and where can people find you? You got social media?
I got Instagram, MD1_Marky.
Anyone else you want to shout out? Like, companies, or I don't know?
The Warren at WG Motorworks, who does all my mapping, and Cirques Motorworks.
Yeah.
And that's it, really.
So yeah, man, you'll probably see this car in your local neighbourhood at some point. Going for 8.
Definitely.
Probably one of you.
Probably sideways as well.
I'll leave all your links in the description. And yeah, till next time, people.
Lamborghini make the heads turn. Enough fuel for the next journey. Man's wheel spinning, got the heads turning. Exhaust smoke like a fire burning. Just bought a Bimmer, man's buying German. Parkway I want, didn't buy a permit. Wanna join the team, then buy a jersey. Full tank full of gas lead. We are